Do you like getting things for free? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm giving away free copies of our new ebooks. If you own or operate, or would like to own or operate an independent hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, you have the opportunity to get free access to a copy of How to Open and Operate a Bed and Breakfast, Where You Need to Start, Strategies to Increase Your Bed and Breakfast's Bookings and Profit, Ways to Foster Loyalty in Guests, How to Open and Operate a Hotel, Resort, or Inn, The Necessary Steps to a Successful Beginning, or Hotels, Resorts, or Inns, Strategies to Increase Your Bookings and Profit, Ways to Foster Loyalty in Guests. The number of ebooks to be given away is going to be limited, and this offer will only be available for a short time, so don't hesitate. Sign up for your free copy now. You can do this by visiting KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC154 to learn more about the ebooks and to sign up for your free copy.